Let's talk about raising an exponent to another exponent. Suppose I had 3 squared cubed. So that's what? That's the same as 3 squared times itself. 3 times. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Well, that is what? That is 3 times itself 6 times. That's 3 to the 6th. It is 3 to the, not 2 plus 3, but 2 times 3. So as a general rule, x to the a raised to the power of b, you multiply the exponents. X to the a times b. X to the ab. Very important rule to remember for a standardized test. Suppose I had 3 squared to the negative 3. Well, same rule, you would multiply the exponents. That's 3 to the negative 6, which is what? That's the same as 1 over 3 to the positive 6. 1 over 3 to the 6th. How about x to the a raised to the negative b? So that is what? That is x to the negative ab. That is 1 over x to the ab. 1 over x to the ab. One last thing I want to point out, you might see this in a very hard problem on a test. Suppose you had, we said if you had 3 squared cubed, that's simply 3 to the 6. You multiply 2 by 3. You multiply the exponents. But suppose you saw 3 squared cubed. Suppose you saw that. Since the 3 squared is not in parentheses, that is the same thing as 3. You deal with the exponents first. So that is the same as 3 to the 2 cubed, and 2 cubed is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, so that's the same thing as 3 to the 8th. That would only come up on a particularly hard question, but it's a good thing to be aware of.